Welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna do some Cricut, and you guys know what Cricut is all about. If you don't know, just follow this video, guys. So I'm learning how to use the Cricut machine. As you guys can see, this is the program. So I'm gonna do a name, and this name is Zozo. We are gonna get this together. So as you can see here, this is the program that I use for Cricut. And what I'm doing right here right now, I'm changing the font. I'm gonna do a name, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I do the name. And yeah, guys, anyway, guys, I'm just learning how to use Cricut, so it's not actually me doing it. It is my brother. Yeah, let's get into it now, guys. So there you can see that the font is changing. So guys, it's now time to load the machine, and I'm going to show you guys how to load the machine. Okay, so let's go. So right here, that's the mat, and the material that we're using is a cornflakes box, and we're going to load the machine. You guys can see. Yep. Right there, we're loading the machine. Yes, guys, so you see that button that you just pressed a while ago, and in goes that thing. And remember, I told you that we're gonna print that name, and you guys see what's happening there. The machine is currently cutting out the name. So you guys see that's the Cricut there working, like work it. So you can see the prints already. Yeah, you guys will be able to see some of the prints. Look. Yeah, I see the prints. I know it might be a bit difficult for you guys to see, but yep, you're gonna see them soon. I'm gonna show you them soon, don't worry. And that's it. So it's done right there. So what's up next? I'm gonna press the button, and this is what's gonna happen now. The machine is going to release. So guys, to give you a better lighting, look here. So you're already seeing the cut. Yeah, that's the name cutting out there properly. Yeah, because at first it seems as though it was not cutting properly. Okay, so it would have been very hard to get them out. So let's see what's gonna happen now at the end. Okay guys, so this is what came out, and now I'm going to show you how to get this out. Okay, so what you simply do is that you just pull up these parts right here. Yep, and remember this is the O. So right here you have the O, and as you guys can see, it's the cornflakes box that I was using. So you got the O, that's one of the O, and then you just do the same thing for this one. You just pull out like this, and that's the next O. And of course these parts, they go to waste, so just gonna throw them away, and these are what I'm gonna use to make the name. So stay tuned guys for the Z. You guys will see it soon. Yes guys, now it's time for the Z, or some of you may say the Z. So let's get the Z going, or the Z going, whatever one you want to say. That's quite cool. So you guys can see it's already forming. The letters right there. Yes, guys, it's going, it's going, it's going. Yeah, guys, you see it going there? So we start having something that looks like quality there. Absolutely cute, right? Yep, it's so cute. So you see it's forming one by one. Yep. Oh, it's calling my blood. Oh, it's calling your blood too. So there we have it. So we're gonna press now to release, and it has released. So let's take them out. Now we have the Z, so we can just take them up like this, as you guys can see. We can do that. Can take them up like that. You know, depending on how we take them up, we can damage the mat, so we gotta be very careful. Guys, hold up, we got this thing going. Yeah, so it seems as though some of them, they are not cut properly. But anyhow, but here we have this one right here. You see, you have the Z. Yeah, guys, you have the Z right there. So this one, we gotta just finish cut through there or just do it over. Yes, guys, just gonna do it over. Okay, so yeah, it's just this part. We're just gonna cut it. Just finish cutting it around because it's already there, as you can see. It's just to just get it out like that. You know, get it wrong, make it fine edges. So this is how it's gonna look, guys. So let me show you. Let me set it up. This is what we're gonna have, guys. We're gonna have Z or Z, whichever one you guys say, and then we're gonna have O. And then we're going to have this one. And then we're going to have the next O. So that's how it's supposed to actually look, guys. That's how it's going to turn out. We're going to put some glitters on it and, you know, make it really, really hot. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Hope that you learned something and that you're planning to buy a Cricut. And if you guys want to see more Cricut videos, let me know. See you guys. Thank you for watching.